Hello, I'm Yashasvi from Informatica GCS. Today we'll be looking at the Clear Conversation Memory feature added in February release of Claire GPT. After sending a few prompts and setting the context, the information being referred by Claire GPT can pile up, which a user can now clear by clicking the Clear Conversation Memory button on the Claire GPT UI. This clears the context established but retains the conversation history. After the conversation memory has been cleared, the subsequent responses would not be referring to the preceding prompts and responses in the conversation. Let's look at the demo. I have this conversation where I have set the context, done a data explore and a data discovery prompt. Here is the output of those prompts. Now, to clear the conversation memory, I have two options. Either I click this button on the UI, or I can provide this prompt as well, which is clear conversation memory. This would clear the conversation memory as it says in the message. So once the conversation memory is cleared, if I execute this data discovery prompt again, this would clearly say that it doesn't has the context in the conversation memory has been cleared, so it doesn't has the reference to it. It said it didn't find any relevant information. So a point to note here is a conversation memory has been cleared, but the pivot is still available. Pivot as in whatever the assets which were being referred in this conversation are still available, and if I wish to query them, I can still do it. So I do not need to set the context of this asset again. Once the conversation memory is cleared, I can use @ option to fetch it from pivot and directly query on it. So this would generate the response. Let's go back to the slide deck. So these are the references for the official documentation for the clear conversation memory feature. Please provide your feedback for us to improve on our videos and contents. Thank you.